Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and I'm really excited to show you our brand new Gingerbread People set. The set consists of 4 cutters, so you get a large gingerbread, a small one, a mini set to dress your small gingerbread person, and then the accessories for the larger one. We've made 2 cakes to demonstrate the brand new Gingerbread People cutter set. The first one is the one here, and on this cake we've used the large gingerbread person at the top. We've made some snowflakes with the Cool Christmas, and we've made some mini gingerbreads and popped them on the gift tags here. And these are the products that we've used: Cool Christmas, Gingerbread People, and the gift tag set. The second cake we've made is using our brand new Merry Christmas cutter set. We've also got the More Than a Birdhouse, the Christmas tree, and as you can see we've got the snowflake again from the Cool Christmas tappet set. And as you move further down the cake, you can see the little gingerbread people. These are the products we've used: the More Than a Birdhouse, Gingerbread People set, the Christmas tree, the all-in-one Merry Christmas cutter, and the Cool Christmas tappet set. The Gingerbread People set is very versatile. You can make different gingerbread people. As you can see, we've made a girl one and a boy one, and we've also made a gingerbread person. But what I've also done is I've made a girl and a boy. Now these would be great for end of term cupcakes, maybe to give a teacher. You could do them in school uniform colours, or you could use them for communion as well, or just boy and girl cupcakes for christenings maybe. And further down here we've got ones that we've done which could be very appropriate again for communion or christenings, or they could be done as bride and grooms, as favours, or even as the main cupcakes at a wedding celebration. The product we recommend that you use is modelling paste to make your cutouts. So we put a little bit of Tylo, which you may know it to be called CMC or gum track, on our mat, and then we knead our paste into it. So this is the ginger colour, as you can see, for cutting out the gingerbread person. And all I've done is used orange, and then I've added a little bit of brown gel colouring. So you'd make your modelling paste up, and you'd wrap it in cling film or put it in an airtight container and leave it for approximately half an hour. You can make it up the night before, so when you get up in the morning you're ready to use it straight away. Right. I've rolled out my modelling paste. You can see it's just a couple of millimetres thick. If you want to make one to stand up on top of the cake, you may want to make it just a little bit thicker. Gives it more strength then. So I've rolled that out, and I've also rolled out some green modelling paste and some red modelling paste ready for me to use. I always leave mine to dry off just a little. You feel a slight crust on the top. That means it won't be too sticky and it won't be getting stuck in your cutter. So it's nice and simple. This is the small one. Place it on top and apply pressure with your hand. Slide it around the board and then remove the excess. So you can tap it on your mat or just pop it through, which is what I like to do. So as you can see, you just have the outline. So we're going to give him a little mouth, and I have a little tool here that's got a little hoof on the end. So I'm just going to pop it on top. There. This is a small one. And if you're going to make a larger gingerbread, then you would use a bigger one. Now the large gingerbread man, I've used black sugar balls for eyes. It's up to you if you want to do that, or you can use an edible pen. Now I use this one for the small one all the time, because otherwise he looks like his eyes are a bit too big for him. But before you can draw on any eyes or any other markings, you have to make sure they're absolutely dry. But once it is dry, it's nice and simple. And you just pop the eyes on. And if you wanted to, you can give them little eyebrows as well. Completely up to you. And you can get these in a number of different colours. This particular one is Rainbow Dust. So I'm just going to pop that to one side. And what I'm going to do is dress our gingerbread. This one won't have eyes at the moment because we need to wait for them to dry. So we're going to make this one the little gingerbread man, and we're going to use the small decorating strip. So it's nice and easy. Place it on top, slide it around your mat, turn over, and then just pop through. And if you want to, you can put a couple of little buttons on using your knife and scribe tool. So we've done that one there. Or you can add little beads again, or you can do some icing, pipe some buttons on. It's your decoration, so it's entirely up to you how you decorate. And here now we're going to cut out a little bow, and that's his bow tie. So nice and easy. All I do is stick them on with water. You can use edible glue, but I don't see any need to because it's modelling paste. It's got Tylo powder in it, and once you add water it will start to activate and it will turn it into a glue for you. I'll just put this on here. There you go. So I said he's got no eyes until he's dry. So here we have the larger one now, and we're going to make a little gingerbread girl. Slide it round, pop it through, and then we're going to cut out the bigger bow. And I'm going to cut out two, because I'm going to put one in her hair. Oops. I left it behind. The great thing about these plastic cutters is they're all made in the UK. They're all 100% food safe, and they've got a very nice sharp edge to give you a lovely clean cut. So again, we're going to stick them with some water. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a little bow around her waist. And pop one in her hair. There. But you can decorate them any way you want. You can use all different colours to make your gingerbread man. All I did here was I just cut out the bottom half of the cutter again with black, and then I just cut his legs out so they're exactly the same shape. So I just made him a pair of trousers, and I gave him a couple of strips of paste there to give him a jacket, and on here exactly the same, but I just did it with little shorts. So it's a very, very versatile set. You'll get lots of use out of it for lots of different celebrations. Thank you for watching our video. This is the brand new FMM Gingerbread People set.